The University of Toulouse was one of the earliest universities established in Europe in 1229, and there have been a number of successor universities to that earlier university holding the same name. This article describes the historic institutions that have been called the Université de Toulouse, the current consortium of French universities, grandes écoles and other institutions of higher education and research in Toulouse and the surrounding region is known as Université fédérale de Toulouse Midi-Pyrénées. History. The formation of Université de Toulouse was imposed on Count Raymond VII as a part of the Treaty of Paris in 1229, ending the crusade against the Albigensians. As he was suspected of sympathizing with the heretics, Raymond VII had to finance the teaching of theology. Bishop Falques de Toulouse was among the founders of the university. Among its first lecturers were Jean de Garland and Roland of Cremona. Other faculties were added later. Initially, the university was located in the center of the city, together with the ancestors of student residences, the colleges. In 1969, L'Université de Toulouse split into 3 separate universities and numerous specialized institutions of higher education. The present-day Université de Toulouse was founded on the 27th of March 2007. It no longer represents a physical place where students can attend classes, but it is now the entity which federates the universities and specialized institutions of higher education. With more than 100,000 students, Midi-Pyrénées is the 5th largest university area in France. Members and fields of study. It is a research and higher education cluster consisting of Université Toulouse 1 capital UT1, Université Toulouse Jean Jaurès UT Toulouse, Université Toulouse 3 Paul Sabatier UT3, Institut National Polytechnique de Toulouse INPT, École Nationale Supérieure Agronomique de Toulouse INPENSAT, École Nationale Supérieure d'Électrotechnique, d'Électronique, d'Informatique, d'Hydraulique et des Télécommunications INPENSEIHT, École Nationale Supérieure des Ingénieurs en Arts Chimiques et Technologiques INPENSIACET, École Nationale d'Ingénieurs de Tarbes INPENIT, École Nationale de la Météorologie INPENM, École d'Ingénieurs de Perpignan INPEI Perpignan, École Nationale Vétérinaire de Toulouse INVT, Institut National des Sciences Appliquées de Toulouse INSA Toulouse, Institut Supérieur de l'Aéronautique et de l'Aerospace ISAE, Centre Universitaire de Formation et de Recherche Jean-François Champollion CUFR Champollion, École des Mines d'Albicamo EMAC, École Nationale de l'Aviation Civile ENAC, École Nationale de Formation Agronomique ENFA, École Nationale Supérieure d'Architecture de Toulouse ENSA Toulouse, Toulouse Business School, Institut d'études politiques de Toulouse IEP, Sciences Po Toulouse, Institut Catholique d'Arts et Métiers de Toulouse ICAM Toulouse, Doctoral Schools. The doctoral schools are all members of the research and doctoral department of the Université de Toulouse. 15 doctoral schools representing a research potential of 4,200 scientists, including 2,400 senior scientists, 4,200 PhD students and 800 doctorate diplomas awarded per year. In the field of experimental sciences and science and technology, biology, health and AMP, biotechnologies, sciences for ecology, veterinary, agronomy and AMP, bioengineering, geosciences, astrophysics and AMP, space sciences, mathematics, informatics and AMP, telecommunications. Toulouse Doctoral School. electrical, electronic engineering and telecommunications, systems, physics, chemistry and materials sciences, mechanics, energetics, civil and process engineering, aeronautics and astronautics. In the field of human sciences and social sciences and humanities, behavior, language, education, socialization, cognition, art, literatures, languages, philosophy, information and communication, time, spaces, societies and cultures, legal and political sciences, management sciences. Toulouse School of Economics. Present and past faculty include Jean Tirole, Professor of Economics, Economics Nobel Prize 2014; Paul C. Bright, Professor of Economics; Jean-Jacques Lafond, Economist; Raymond Aron, Philosopher, Sociologist and Political Scientist; Paul Fauconnet, Sociologist; Jean Jaurès, Politician; Maurice Haurio, Jurist and Dean of the Law Faculty from 1906 to 1926; Pierre Laromiguier, Philosopher; Adrien Esternabis, Classical Scholar; famous alumni and former students. Professor Ange who is a 2010 Presidential Green Chemistry Academic Award recipient. Patrice Hardel is the Roissy Charles de Gaulle Airport Managing Director. François Hazanot, aeronautical engineer credited with the invention of one of the early forms of the flight data recorder. Jean Botti is Chief Technical Officer of the ADS since 2006. Thomas Pesquet, European Space Agency astronaut. Marcel Dassault was a French aircraft industrialist. He founded the company Dassault Aviation. Selman Reza, linguist and politician. Paul Sabatier, Dean of the Faculty of Science at the University of Toulouse in 1905. Nobel Prize in Chemistry jointly with fellow Frenchman Victor Grignard in 1912. Carlos Becker Westphal, Brazilian computer scientist and Brazilian academic. Henry de Pufalin, a French-Canadian pioneer in biology and ecology. Sport. Jean Bouillot is a rugby player, played with the French national team. Thomas Castanet is a rugby player, played with the French national team. Romain Mesnil is a French pole vaulter. David Skrela is a rugby player, played with the French national team.